Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what's to come on the new Grow a Garden update. So it is going to start tomorrow. For me, it's going to start August 30th at 9 p.m. It is called the Fairy Event. Super cute. I can't wait. I think this event is mainly for the girlies. Look how cute even the emojis are. Sorry. Obviously it's going to be playable for everybody, but like it's super cute and I cannot wait for it. It's going to be so whimsical and I can't wait. Like I don't know. I feel like the pets and like the items are going to be super cute and magical. But anyways, that is going to be tomorrow at 9 p.m. So as of today and tomorrow, you want to make sure you grow your beanstalks and get your skyroot chests before they are gone. So make sure you do that and just grow your beanstalks and stock up on your skyroot chests. I have not gotten the griffin yet, so today I'm really trying to get the griffin. Hopefully I get it today. So yeah, make sure you know that today and tomorrow-ish is your last 2 days of going up the beanstalk. Okay, so fruit plants, I'm just going to get my harvester here. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Don't forget to grow your beanstalks, get your skyroot chests. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.